Hi guys, today I'm showing you how to clean your brushes. It's not really that hard. I did it all by myself, so you can do it too, because I can be a little ditzy sometimes. It's super quick, and there's a lot of other videos out there on YouTube that has the same exact method, but I don't care what's out there. I'm gonna make my own, so I hope you guys all enjoy it, and here's the video. So what you're going to need to start washing your makeup brushes is dish soap and olive oil. The dish soap is going to clean all the dirt and the gunk out of your brushes, but if you have something that is low priced like Ajax or I don't know, pretty much anything that's super cheap and also claims that it's a super degreaser, you're going to definitely need olive oil to add a moisturizing element to your brushes. But if your dish soap claims that it's moisturizing, you might be okay with skipping the olive oil. You're also going to need a small dish, it is actually relatively small, to mix your soap and your olive oil for your brushes. Okay, first you're going to want to start off putting what you feel is equal parts of dish soap, and olive oil. I'm going to start off with this brush right here. It's one of my foundation brushes from Sephora and it's quite dirty. So what you're going to do is mix it in the middle of the dish soap and olive oil. After you got a good amount of soap on your brush, you're going to take it over to the sink, turn on the water. I like to use room temperature, run it around a little bit. Take your hand and swirl it. See all that gunk coming out of the brush. Turn on your water again. And also repeat under the water. When you're done, you feel like your brush is clean, squeeze out all of the excess water and gunk out of your brush. It should look like this. It's white, no more brown, as you can see. It's clean. When it comes to storing your brushes when they're still wet, you can also put them on the edge of the counter so that the water drips off them instead of into them if you store them upwards. Some people like to store them down in their cup upside down, but I personally hate doing that because for my smaller, more delicate brushes, if it's smashed in the bottom of the cup and it dries that way, it's going to come out smashed when it's dry and it will be extremely hard to bring it back to its original form. So I like to just dry them this way and they should be good in like, I don't know, 24 hours. It's best that you wash your brushes after you do your makeup, so the next time that you need to do your makeup again, your brushes will be dry completely. clean brushes, I feel very accomplished when I clean my brushes, and I know that whenever I'm ready to apply makeup for the next day that I am working with clean brushes and I am at less risk of acne and other crap on my face. Okay, so if you have a beauty blender like me and it's time to clean it, I think that your best bet is to go out and purchase the Blender Cleanser Solid by Beauty Blender. And this stuff works so good. You just have to keep repeating the steps and eventually your whole sponge will be completely brand new. Well, actually it kind of does fade the color, but it does get out all the gunk, even the most hidden sections of the sponge. It's all cleared out. So I'm going to demonstrate how I do this. Okay, you're going to open your solid and you're going to want to get it wet and also get your beauty blender wet, just like how you would right before you use it for makeup. Okay, and then you're going to take your sponge and your solid and you're going to rub it into the solid just like this. So the product comes out, run it under water a little bit and squeeze. Repeat. And just like that, it is brand new all over again. Isn't that nice? But also, if you have a beauty blender and you wash it so many times, I'm pretty sure it's ready to be tossed whenever it's almost pale pink and the tears are more visible and annoying. I just have a little tear right here, but if you get tears that are like ginormous and ridiculous and your beauty blender is now pale pink, I think it's time to buy a new one. I hope my video made a lot of sense to you guys and you'll be on the way to clean face and clean brushes. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.